Hey guys, it's Charity here. So I'm here to tell you guys about this hair company called Chennai Hair Factory. It's in India. I got this vendor and I placed an order for my hair bundles. And yeah, I'm going to tell you about it. So at first I was kind of nervous because, the distance wise, they're too far and things like that. And the guy was very nice who helped me. He talked to me, he assured me things were good. Everything was legit. And I placed my order. I mixed up my bundles and I ordered some straight, some curly, wavy. And in 4 days, my hair arrived. I'm so excited. So I'm going to show you. It's one of my bundles. Look at this. Look how full it is. Look at it. So this is natural curly Indian hair. This is raw Indian hair. Like raw, straight from the donor. Look how full and nice it is. I actually washed it. And look how nice it is. Very nice. And so they bundles, they kind of come in different kind of form, look at this bundle. It's not like it's, but it's same hair. It's same hair. So what usually happens is, I'm sure after washing it and, taking care of it, it just gets full and be like the other one. Look at it. The hair is amazing. They have very nice hair, trust me. And this hair can last like very long time. The hair is very nice. And so you guys, feel free, don't be scared. The next time I'm actually taking a trip to India myself, and I'm going to Chennai, and I will, take a tour and look at hair and things like that. But feel free. Chennai Hair Factory has got amazing, good quality hair. Don't be scared of anything. Their hair is legit. They don't do any funny business. They straight people. Thank you guys. See you next time.